Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition in the Our Code Escape Estate.
We're going to continue the library room with the king and queen chess pieces. Now we're going to investigate the particles over the red carpet.
Okay.
Now that we can move the kings, and they have dates over them. The queen has January 5th and the king has May 5th.
Oh, there's particles over there. Let's see. It's King's birthday.
King's birthday, April 1st.
Ooh, over there.
There's another one. There's another cake for the queen.
Queen's birthday, May 4th.
Okay, so now we're going to do C.
To see our instructions.
You free the king and queen, but the door still isn't opening. They must be in the wrong positions. Move them into the correct positions so you can finally escape this place. Use the move chess piece function to move the king and queen into the correct positions.
Okay, so you can move forward, back, left, and right. So let's go to the code example. Okay, so you have to move them to their birthday. Okay.
Okay, so first let's see the kings.
Okay, so it's April 1st.
So
right now it's on May 5th.
Needs to move
Blue one time and orange 1, 2, 3, 4 times to go to April 1st.
Okay.
Okay.
You can also use repeat loops.
Okay, so orange. Let's try this to see if this works. Should be missing some code. Okay. Okay, so we need to move orange one more time for the king. We can just use a repeat loop for this. So we have to repeat it 4 times. Find range 4.
Remember to put the tab.
Okay, and then test it. 2, 3, 4. Okay, April 1st.
Now we're at the king. Now we need to make the queen.
Okay, let's see the queen. It is May 4th.
So here it needs to move 4 yellows.
4 yellows and 1 orange. So it's basically the reverse of the king.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna use a repeat loop again. We need to move yellow 4 times.
Four times.
Yeah. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, so the king is in the right position. April 1st. The queen. May 4th.
So room cleared. Parlor. Trophy unlocked. Yellow path complete.
Okay, let's see what happens. Ooh.
So now we see
that's
our
us.
character going to the portal. So now there's
That guy.
mysterious Dr. Brigowski. Hello again. It looks like you did it. You managed to make your way through the mansion. Bravo. We knew you could do it. In fact, we were counting on it.
Who's
this
we?
is suspicious.
There's only one person who's we.
So now he disappeared.
It's a time agent.
Agent. Rascal. You see, this place is more than just a mansion. It's an interdimensional prison. One that we cannot escape, but we knew you'd figure it out. Aha, surprise! The time agents are back. Now you're the one who is going to be stuck in this mansion forever. Enjoy your new home. Mwahahaha.
Wow,
So now they escaped through the portal. But this is Terra. Not so fast, time agents. You're not going anywhere. I'm giving you troublemakers a timeout.
Wow, you can give them a timeout.
And then the rascal says, Terra, you may have trapped us here once, but we won't fall for your tricks again. The portal is open. You can't stop us. You're out of time, and so are we. So long, chumps. So now they're going to go into the portal, and they're going to disappear. Terra, that portal leads to the time orb. They'll be able to use it to escape. The only way to stop the time orb is by using the chrono cannons. It won't take long for them to charge up the orb, so we must quickly activate the defenses and stop them once and for all. Now, go. So now we see our character go into the portal. So now we are in a huge field. Rascal, yes, the time warp. We can use it to finally escape this place. What? You again? Split up, guys. They can't catch us all. So now they're splitting up into different corners of the room. The control room doors are open. Inside each control room, there's a lever that will activate a chrono cannon. You will need to activate all 4 to destroy the time orb. Quick, go turn on those cannons.
So explore side room. In the next video, we'll explore side room.
So there's lots of grass, and then there's also one of the robots.
Time agent.
Yeah, time agents.
Rascal's the boss.
Yeah, Rascal's in the middle.
Yeah, he's the boss.
And then
how many side rooms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4, and there's Rascal. So in the next video, we're gonna go to one of those rooms, and we're gonna defeat a time agent. Okay.
Jump in.
They don't allow us to jump in.
We did jump in. We just respawned.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash like button and subscribe. Bye bye.